Siguro yung iba nagtataka, bakit hindi ako consistently nagla-live at nagla-live selling? Guys, I can definitely attest na hindi talaga madaling mag-live selling. Guys, mahirap talaga. I've tried to be calm, magbenta ng nagla-live, mababa yung sales. I've tried to be OA, magbenta ng nagla-live, medyo maganda yung sales. Pero the reason why I'm not consistent, it is because siyempre po meron tayong corporate job. I have a 9 to 6 job and 5 times a week, oftentimes talagang nauubos yung energy ko and kapag weekend naman gusto ko na lang din magpahinga at times. But I'm just creating this video to remind myself and to remind everyone na wala naman talagang madaling buhay sa mundo. If you want something, you really need to put effort into it. You really need to put and show up, 'di ba? Put actions to your goals para maging reality. So this is just a reminder and a wake-up call to each and every one of us na keep on pushing forward, keep on trying new things. At least wala kang what ifs, at least you've tried and you've learned definitely along the way a lesson.